Oh, good morning, friends. Oh, you want to come along for a little Saturday vlog with me? Is it bad that this is my second cup of coffee and it is 8 a.m. this morning? I don't think so. It is Saturday, folks. Been enjoying putting a scoop of collagen into my coffee in the morning just to get, my peptides in. While I'm stuck at home, stranded without a car because my car failed me yesterday and is in the shop, and I don't know what it is. Car trouble is the most annoying thing in the world. Like, it stresses me out, it causes me anxiety. I literally have to keep myself calm, cool, and collected. So Elijah is currently on a job with 2 of his trucks. So I really am just chilling here. I thought I was being left a truck this morning, and I'm having to rearrange what I thought my Saturday morning was gonna look like. But thought I would bring you all along for this Saturday in my life adventure. I may or may not be conspiring a bit of a plan to buy a new couch. Elijah came to me the other day, and it's a big deal when he looks at the couch and he says, I think we need a new couch. This one's looking a bit faded. I mean, if he's noticing, for sure. So last night, I spent some time searching the internet for different leather sofas, because leather, I believe, also out of the budget, I believe leather is going to last longer in terms of cleanliness. So currently I am absolutely loving this couch. It's a West Ham couch and it's a little bit out of the price range, but I'm loving the color. Like, it's kind of a darker leather. It looks sort of worn in. I kind of don't like when leather couches look super perfect, but I guess you kind of wear them in eventually anyway, but I'm just loving it, you guys. I've turned this spare room basically into my read the Bible space, do my physical therapy stretches room, and workout studio. So this morning, since I'm trapped at home, I'll be doing my workout in my self-made studio. We'll see how this goes. I'm gonna try to do a similar workout class that I do. It's booty yoga, which I know many people have thoughts about yoga, but it's not a yoga class. It is somewhat like a plyometrics workout with tribal dance in it, similar to like a Zumba, but it's a lot of strength training and then the HIIT style plyometrics workout. So a lot of cardio, and I'm obsessed with it because it's like a super hard workout. We do it in a hot room, but it's also fun, and you listen to like loud music and just have a blast. So I'll be doing that this morning in here. I just don't think I've done my stretches in a couple days, and last night Elijah and I went for a mountain bike ride, and I don't know what I did, but my back this morning is just feeling so tight. So giving it a bit of a stretch before I start this workout. Quick little shower, and I'm going to show you my newest skincare routine. How are we liking this look, guys? I have been using I have a towel on, okay? I'm not butt naked. I have been using a brand called Dime that I am thoroughly obsessed with, and I just got this new got this new product from them called Super Firm Serum, and I love it. It's kind of like a tightening, lifting serum. I've been just putting it on my forehead, near my eyes, and sort of like my smile lines, and it really, you really feel the firmness of this. So it's kind of crazy, but you kind of just let it soak in and dry before putting on I'm still using the CeraVe night cream for the daytime, just because I like how moisturizing it is. But your girl's almost out, so. And that's really the extent of my routine right now for the morning, is basically like a firming anti-aging serum and then a moisturizing cream, and I go from there. While I'm cleaning, I often like to listen to a podcast, so put your playlist on, light your candle, and let's get cleaning. Okay, well, Elijah is on his way back from a tree job with one of the trucks, with his 2 trucks. So I get to take one of these bad boys out for a ride around town and run to Trader Joe's and Target. I don't even know where the day went. I guess I just spent it like cleaning the house and kind of doing random things around the house. But I am now gonna run and pick up some things for this girls' night. We're gonna do like a paint and sip / charcuterie board. So I'm just gonna run to Trader Joe's, run to Target, grab a few little supplies, and we'll be back to set this place up in a jiffy. So here's to that. This is absolutely hysterical. I parked so far back so nobody would even look at me. This man just pushing his little kid in his shopping cart looks at me as I'm getting into my truck and goes, "Nice truck." I'm like, "It's not mine."
Christmas.